Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Crosstrek versus Peugeot 2008. We will explore their key differences in performance, practicality, and safety to help you decide which compact SUV best suits your needs. The Crosstrek is known for its rugged capability and standard all-wheel drive, while the 2008 offers a stylish European design with various powertrain choices. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Subaru Crosstrek offers two boxer engine options, with the larger 2.5-liter producing 182 horsepower. This pairs with a continuously variable automatic transmission. The Peugeot 2008 provides a range of engines, including a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol with up to 153 horsepower and a 1.5-liter turbodiesel. The Crosstrek stands out with its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, while the 2008 is primarily front-wheel drive. Inside, both SUVs offer comfortable seating for 5 and modern technology. The Crosstrek boasts 19.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 54.7 cubic feet when folded. The Peugeot 2008 provides 434 liters of boot space, which increases to 1,467 liters with the rear seats down. Both models include intuitive infotainment systems, with the Crosstrek offering an available 11.6-inch screen and the 2008 up to a 10-inch display. For safety, the Subaru Crosstrek consistently receives high marks, including a 5-star NHTSA rating and an EASE Top Safety Pick designation, thanks to its EyeSight driver assist technology. The Peugeot 2008 also achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating when equipped with its safety pack, offering features like automatic emergency braking. The Crosstrek is also known for its strong resale value. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.